So sometimes I'm asked, well, what's today's podcast episode going to be about? And I replied, well, it's how to search for goods and services that are near you so that you don't get a lawnmower person from Michigan. The magic words are near me. So look into the search engine and you type in what you're looking for and then add the two magic words near me. Most search engines are going to know your name, your address, and your phone number. So you're not going to get somebody from 8 states away as a reply. And the power of that as a local business, as a feel-good activity on the part of the user, they found you local. You can expect them to pay you a visit if you've got the goods and services they're looking for, okay? Nearly every $100 spent locally, $68 remains in the community, compared to the big box stores where you spend $100 and only $43 is going to be spent. So, remember, I've got them, so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It's a wrap.